Hey there, and welcome to Skills Forge Pro. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create a grunge text effect in Canva, an easy yet powerful technique for designing striking thumbnails, posters, and social media visuals. We'll start with an Instagram post-sized canvas and type the word SAD using the Calcio font at size 800 for its tall vertical style. The text will be red and centered on a white background. To apply the grunge effect, we'll use ink splatter elements from Canva's Elements tab. Changing their color to white, we'll overlay them on the letters, focusing on the top and middle to create a distressed look. Next, we'll add an image to enhance the mood. Searching for sad couple in Canva's Photos tab, we'll pick a suitable image, remove its background with the AI background remover, and place it over the design. That's it. A simple yet effective way to add emotion and depth to your designs. Try it out and let us know in the comments what Canva effects you'd love to learn next. We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comments what Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.